no! My cars have fallen into the ball pit. We have to get all 10 cars out. Let's go!
Yellow car.
10!
Blue car.
9!
White car.
8!
Dark blue car.
7!
Gray car.
6! Great job! You've gotten over half the cars out of the ball pit. Way to go!
Light blue car.
5!
Aqua truck.
4!
Red fire engine.
3!
Purple car.
2! Yay! We're nearly there.
Silver car.
1! Thanks for helping me rescue all our cars. See you next time.
Do you like mysteries? I do. They're so fun. Where are the letters A, B, C, and D? Come, let's solve the mystery together. There are 4 letter A's in the garage. Can you point and say them with me? A, great work. So clever! You found the letter A. And now can you say and point to the letter B hidden in this garage? You are doing great. Excellent! You found the letter B. Where might letters C and D be? Can you point and say the letter C? C. You are on fire. You found the letter C. Let's point to and say the letter D. Fantastic work. Wow, you are a champ. You found the letter D. Wow, you solved the mystery. I'll A-B, see you later.
Hey racers, did you know? Shapes are all around us. Can you name the shape before I do? Let's go. Look, it's a boat. What shape does the sail make? It's a triangle. Wow, a steam train. What shape are the carriages? That's right, it's a rectangle. Great job. Cool bike, huh? What shape are the wheels? Yeah, they're circles. What shape is a tunnel? It's called an arch. This one's easy. Can you see it? Yeah, it's a square. This is a sports stadium seen from really high up. It's in an oval shape. What's this one? Yeah, it's a cone. This one is a bit harder. Can you see it? It's a triangle. This one's an octagon. It has 8 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, racers, you did it. You named shapes out in the real world. Nice job.
Hey, Racer, can you beat me and name all the vehicle colors correctly? Oh yeah? Let's go. Here's my best frenemy forever, Racer Phoenix. I beat him just last week at this game. What color is his motorbike? That's right, it's blue. I would have chosen green. Next is the lovely Miko. What color is her car? Do you remember? That's easy, it's pink. Well done, sport. Hey, Ronnie. Peace to you too, girl. What color is her car? Yes, it's red. You're good at this game, aren't you? And what about this handsome devil? Oh, that's right. It's me, Zachary. What color is my beautiful racing car? Green. You did well, I suppose. See you next time around the tracks.
Hey, racers! Let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job helping me count from 1 to 10, racers. I'll see you next time.
Hey, Racer, let's do some coloring in with me. Let's go. What colors am I? Yellow? Lilac? Pink? Blue? Gray? Orange and pink? Black? And finally blue. Very good, Racer. Here's Phoenix. What colors is he made up of? Brown. Green. Blue. Red. Yellow. Orange. Red. Brown. Orange. Fantastic, Racer. Who's next? It's Zach. What colors is he made up of? Beige. Orange. Green. Red. Green. Brown. And blue. And finally, it's Ronnie. What colors is she made up of? Brown. Red. Purple. Orange. Brown. Red. Fantastic, Racer. You did a great job naming the colors. Do you want to color in yourself? Ask your grown-up to download these coloring in sheets on the Let's Go Vroom TV website. Happy coloring!
Let's vroom into learning with Let's Go Vroom TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.